Do you ever feel like you're running on empty, even when you've slept well, eaten right, and done everything you can to stay healthy? That deep, bone-level tiredness that just won't go away? You might think it's stress or burnout, but sometimes it's something your body's been whispering all along. I'm low on iron. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and this is Longevity for Moms, a channel dedicated to helping women restore their energy, balance their hormones, and feel alive again. Before we begin, I'd like to ask for something small but meaningful. If you believe that women deserve clear, science-backed health education, please subscribe and help us continue this journey. Your support helps us reach more mothers around the world who feel tired, unheard, and ready to take back their health. Now let's talk about one of the most common and overlooked deficiencies in women today: iron. Here are 3 signs your body may be low on iron and what you can do to fix it naturally. If you wake up tired, drag through the day, and feel drained no matter how early you go to bed, this might be your body's first warning. Iron helps create hemoglobin, the part of your red blood cells that carries oxygen. Without enough of it, your body literally runs out of breath. Every muscle, every cell starts to suffocate. You feel sluggish, lightheaded, maybe even short of breath after climbing stairs. The World Health Organization reports that over 30% of women globally are low on iron, especially mothers who lose iron during childbirth, breastfeeding, or monthly cycles. Here's how to rebuild. Eat iron-rich foods like red meat, lentils, spinach, beans, and pumpkin seeds. Pair them with vitamin C, think oranges, strawberries, or bell peppers. It can boost absorption by up to 70%. And try to limit coffee or tea around meals. Caffeine can block the iron your body needs. If you've been tired for weeks or months, it's not just in your head. It might be in your blood. Take a look in the mirror. Do your lips or eyelids look paler than usual? Is your hair shedding more than it used to, or your nails breaking easily? These are subtle but powerful clues that your body isn't getting enough oxygen, a classic sign of low iron. When your iron drops, blood flow to your skin and hair slows down. Your body prioritizes survival over beauty, sending oxygen to your heart and brain first, and leaving your hair, nails, and skin behind. A 2021 study in the Journal of Dermatology found that women with low ferritin, that's your body's iron storage, were far more likely to experience hair thinning and brittle nails. Here's how to restore strength from the inside out. Combine iron with protein, like eggs, tofu, or chicken with leafy greens. Add vitamin B12 and folate. They work with iron to build healthy blood. And if you're struggling to get enough from food, consider a gentle iron supplement like ferrous bisglycinate, but always consult your doctor before starting one. Remember, your hair and skin are often the first places your body shows distress. Have you been feeling lightheaded when you stand up too quickly? Or maybe you've noticed you can't focus like you used to. Your mind feels foggy, heavy, or just slow. That's your brain signaling oxygen deprivation. Iron fuels hemoglobin, and hemoglobin carries oxygen to your brain. When levels drop, your brain, which uses about 20% of your oxygen supply, begins to struggle. Research from Harvard Health, 2020, found that low iron directly impairs concentration and alertness, especially in women juggling multiple responsibilities. The fix: add dark leafy greens, beans, or fortified cereals to your daily meals. Cook in a cast iron pan. It naturally boosts the iron content of your food. And when taking supplements, pair them with orange juice, not dairy. Calcium competes with iron for absorption. When your brain feels foggy, your body isn't failing. It's just asking for oxygen. As mothers, we give a lot: time, energy, even our bodies. Pregnancy, breastfeeding, and monthly cycles all draw from our iron stores. Add the stress of modern life, skipped meals, and endless to-do lists. And it's easy to see why iron deficiency is so common among women. But here's the good news: it's reversible.
With awareness and small daily choices, you can rebuild your energy, your focus, and that spark you thought was gone for good. So let's recap the 3 signs. 1. Constant fatigue even after rest. 2. Pale skin, hair loss, or brittle nails. 3. Dizziness, brain fog, or shortness of breath.
If these sound familiar, your body isn't broken. It's just running low on what fuels life itself, oxygen. And oxygen starts with iron. A simple blood test can confirm your levels, and just a few changes can bring your energy and clarity back within weeks. If this video spoke to you, I'd love for you to subscribe to Longevity for Moms. Your support helps us continue creating honest, compassionate, and science-based health content for every woman who's too tired to keep guessing what's wrong. I'm Dr. Emily Carter. Thank you for watching, and remember, fatigue isn't just something to live with. It's something to understand and heal.